Good afternoon, everyone. 156 days ago, another war started. Yes, the war in Israel against Hamas. And, well, actually, today is Ramadan, and the plan was to have a ceasefire, but the Israelis has bombed a building with civilians in Rafah, so I don't think there's a ceasefire here. Anyway, we have here three puzzles, three regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the 3 stars Sudoku, the 2 star, the 4 stars, and the binary. Not so good news today, because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. Let me show you. What I will do in the evening, I will solve the rest of the puzzles in the weekend edition. In the weekend edition we have 5 puzzles left, 3 puzzles in additional and 2 puzzles in the puzzle page. Alright, so let me first solve these 3 puzzles, 3 regular puzzles. First one I will do is the Sudoku with 3 stars, and the 3 star Sudoku will be number, let me zoom this, 8166. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, all 3 puzzles has 26 printed digits. Yeah, this one also 2, and the binary 2. Well, usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits, and for a 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, it has 26 printed digits, so it should be a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with a 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So on the third row, the only place left of 5 should be here. 8 in this third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left of the 8 should be there. Then, let me see, 6. Well. We have a 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5. Need a 5 there, and I need a 5 here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, last column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So the row between the only place left for the 2 should be here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 in that box. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 in the column next, no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. Then, let me see. I need a 6 there, I need a 6 here. Alright, need a 9 here. How about, need a 1 here, need a 1 there. Yeah, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the third row, no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. These 3 missing numbers in the first row are the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4, 6, 9. 4, 6, 9, 4, 6, 9, 4, 6, 9. And look, we have a 4 and a 9 in the second column, so no 4 and a 9 in this box. 4 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. So one digit there left in the first row for number 6. Two numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Then, let me see, 1, 5. 5 in this third column, 5 in the second column, so the first column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. So two numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8, wait, 1 in this column, 1 in the second column, so in the first column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the second column for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1 and 2, the 3. 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 7 and a 4, 7 and a 4. Alright, and now 7, but the 8, no. 1 and 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next, so that column the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there, need a 1 here, need a 1 there. Okay, then let me see. 3, 7, 3, 3. Need a 5 here. Need a 9 here, and need a 8 here. 8. How about here? 9 and yeah, 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Well, 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Alright, need a 4 here. 3 and 8, we have 8 now in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Need 8 here. Alright, 7, 4, and then need a 6 here. Yeah, in this row we need a 6. Here can be 6, we have 6 in this big square, so no 6 there. So the 6 could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 6 in the last column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. So 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. Need a 1 here, need a 1 there, okay. And now, need a 6 here, need a 6 there. 2 numbers left in the second row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. The 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. How about need a 8 here. Need a 9. Need a 3. I need a 7. Yeah. Come on. 7. I'm thinking. 8. Well, we have a pair in this big square. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and 8. We have a 6 and 8 in the last row, so no 6 and 8 in these two boxes. We have a 6 and 8 in this column, so no 6 and 8 in these two boxes. So the 6 and 8 in this big square goes in those two boxes as a pair. So the 1 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 137, 137. Alright, 1, 1. These two missing numbers in this row are the numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. Well, okay. How about 7? In the 7. One of the missing number in this big square is number 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in this box. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those two boxes in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 3 goes there. 6 in the 8, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level, the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 7 and the 1 are missing. 7 and 1, 7 and 1. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 or 3, we have a 7 now, so this box should be a 3. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 8, 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last column. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the middle row, so no 1 in these two boxes. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 1 and a 9, we have 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and then 9 goes in there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 to 9, 5 to 9. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 2 to 5, 2 to 5. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there, finishing 13 minutes. Well, I'm pleased with the time. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Should be at 0 stars. I'm faster than 14 or maybe 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one here, so we'll do the thing. So thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.